Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies. I'm here to just do a quick little update video. I just have this in front of me to kind of work on so that you have something to look at. I have a tutorial on how to make these coming up, so just to let you know. But I wanted to do a really quick update video because I just finished a project, which was my Junkie Junk journal, and you will see the videos for those shortly. So I'm going to show the flip through first, and then I'm going to show the process videos. I think I have 6 process videos. Now I know it's a little bit different from what my channel usually does, but I thought it would be something fun to just dive into, and I wanted to film the process. So you will be seeing those. I think I will release a video 1 or 2 every day of that process. And I also wanted to talk about the fact that I reached 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. This has been a goal of mine for a long time, and I'm so happy that I've reached it. I will be having a giveaway. I think it's going to be a really cool giveaway. If you watch my haul videos, I'm going to be giving away some vintage books, so stay tuned for that. I'm probably going to film that video soon, and that video will probably be up on Thursday, December 10th. So that's in a week from when I'm filming this. I'm also backed up on videos, and I still have 2 flip through videos that are for my botanical journals. None of them are available anymore, but I still wanted to show them. So I will be uploading those videos. Just know that it's just going to be a flip through video. And the last thing I wanted to talk about was the fact that I wanted to do like a Vlogmas this year, but I've just been so busy and I've had a lot going on, so I wasn't able to do that. So I thought that instead of doing a full Vlogmas, which is usually December 1st through 24th, I believe, I'm going to do a little abbreviated version of that, and I'm going to do 12 days of Christmas. So it's going to start on the 13th, and from the 13th on, I'm going to be uploading a video every day from the 13th to the 24th of December, and they're going to be tutorials and craft with me's, most likely. So I'm working out a calendar on what is going to be included, but I have some really exciting projects coming up, and I thought this would be a perfect time to kind of practice uploading a video every day. It's a lot of work for me, but I think I have a lot of ideas right now, and it's the perfect time. So that's going to happen. But before that, I will be uploading a video probably every day, a video or 2 every day starting on December 4th. I'm gonna upload my Junkie Junk journal flip through on Friday, and right after that I'm gonna start publishing the process videos for those. So I think there's going to be a video every day until the 24th of December. I'm so excited to upload more often, and I hope that there's something for everyone. Like I have the Junkie Junk Journal videos, and then I'm going to have tutorials starting on December 13th. They're going to be mostly tutorials and some just craft with me's or process videos. And I will be having the giveaway on Thursday. So I just wanted to do a quick video to kind of let you know what's going on. Recently, I got my community tab on my channel, so I will be giving updates there as well. And of course, if you want to follow me on Instagram, sometimes I post a lot more over there just because it's a lot quicker and shorter to post over there, and they're just like quick updates. So I just want to say again, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, for watching my videos and commenting. I get so many nice comments, and it just makes this so rewarding, and it feels like I'm part of a community. You guys say such nice things sometimes, so thank you. All right, I will see you. There's probably going to be a second video up today as well. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye, everyone.